Shorty wanna hop up on my wave like Geronimo. Pity pack, pick a pack, falling down like dominoes. Always keep the shine, I ain't talking about the mop and glow. Lights, camera, action.
Hey loves, it's your girl Sonia Lauren, and I am back with a workout video. I'm super excited, so I'm gonna be doing a full body workout. Follow along if you can. Okay, so my first workout are lunges. I love lunges. This workout is really good for your legs. If you want to get big, strong legs, this is the workout for you. So basically, I'm going to be doing 3 sets of 10 of each exercise. So with this exercise, I am holding 12-pound dumbbells. And the most important thing that you want to remember with this exercise is to keep your back straight. Like, that's pretty much the most important thing. And also, do not bring your knee too far down to the ground. Y'all don't want to hurt yourself, and you don't want to pull any muscles, okay? We trying to gain muscle, we not trying to pull a muscle. So just be careful when you are doing these exercises, okay? Okay, honey, so the next exercise is called elevated lunges. So as you guys can see, I took a brick from outside my house somewhere, and I literally just laid it on the ground and, started doing some elevated lunges. So literally, do not be afraid to use the items around you to work out. Like, come on, y'all. Okay? Save some money, sweetie. So yeah, this is called elevated lunges, and I did 3 sets of 10. So it's basically the same thing, except the leg that is not on top of the brick, you kind of want to extend backwards, and then keep your back straight also. At this point, I was tired. That's why y'all see me walking around like this. So, yeah. Okay, so we moving on right to the next exercise. So I think this exercise is called bicep curls. I'm not 100% sure if this variation is called bicep curls, because I don't know, it varies, y'all. Like, I don't remember the name of this, but it's somewhere close to bicep curls, okay? So with this exercise, you kind of just want to make sure that you are in the correct stance, because as I said earlier, you don't want to hurt yourself. And I was swinging a little bit too much back and forth, so that ain't it, honey. Make sure when y'all do it, you are way more still. The weights were light, so I did not end up hurting myself, but you really want to be careful with these exercises. And I used 8-pound dumbbells. Okay, so this next exercise is called a bent over row. And really, you're supposed to feel it like in your back, kind of, or like your triceps. But for me, I mostly felt it in my biceps, because when I do this exercise, the closer you put your hands together, the more you'll feel it like in your biceps. But the more you pull them apart, you will feel it like in your triceps and your back, kind of. So just keep that in mind. I kind of wanted to work my biceps, so I brought the dumbbells in closer. honey. This exercise is called lateral squat walk. It works your legs and that booty. The most important thing to know is you have to stay low. Like watching this, I can see that I could have went a little lower, but y'all want to make sure y'all getting kind of low, almost like you're sitting into your glutes, if that makes sense. Okay, loves. So this exercise is called kneeling weighted squats. I love this exercise. It's probably one of my favorite exercises. Basically, it's just a squat, but you're on your knees. You feel me? And I added a 15-pound dumbbell just for a weighted squat. The most important thing to know about this exercise is you want to make sure you're squeezing your glutes. Like, y'all, look at my glutes when I go up. Yes, it looks like I have a grandma booty, but it's super important that you do that because that gets the muscle working. And I know a lot of people sometimes do exercises and y'all be like, I don't feel it. Honey, you're not exercising your glutes properly. Like, you will feel it. Trust me.
Okay, y'all, I am finally done. I think I'm gonna stop right here for today. I'm gonna stretch and then I'm gonna be done. I feel like I could work out all day, but I think we got a pretty good workout in today. So if you guys were following along, be sure to give me a big old thumbs up and click that subscribe button. And yeah, comment down below which workout is your favorite. And I'm so out of breath, I'm gonna go make me a protein shake. If y'all want to see the protein shake that I made or I'm going to make, but by the time y'all watch this video, it'll already be up. I'm so out of breath. Go to my TikTok page, it'll be on the screen because I'm gonna do a protein shake video and show you guys the simplest way to make a simple protein shake. So yeah, if you guys are interested, give me a big old thumbs up. These squirrels are going crazy out here, y'all. It be so weird working out outside because it be bugs and stuff, but yeah, today was super hot. Pretty sure that I'm sweating, but yeah, let me stop rambling. I love you guys and I will give you guys more fitness content because I think that's what you guys really want, how to grow that booty, how to get fit. So yeah, okay guys, bye.
Cause I'm the MVP, most valuable. Cause I'm the MVP, most valuable. Yeah, I'm the MVP, most valuable player, That's who I be.